Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your email address on Bybit. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. At the top left corner, click on the profile icon. Now choose security option. Click on the email option. Now click on the change my registered email. Read the security notice first. You will get a warning withdrawals and P2P will be blocked for 24 hours after changing your email. Also, you can't update or unlink your email again for the next 7 days. Tap OK or continue to proceed. You will receive an email code into your previous email address. Now paste the Google Authenticator code and paste it here. Now click on confirm and enter the new email you wanted to change. Now click on the get code. You will receive a 6-digit code and click on OK. After changing your email, you will be logged out from all devices. Just log back in your account using your email and password or continue with Google. Solve this puzzle. Check your Google Authenticator and now paste it here. Now click on confirm. That's it. Your email is now updated on Bybit. Remember, withdrawal will be locked for 24 hours and you can't change your email again for 7 days. If you have lost access to your old email or 2FA, use the self-service option on the login screen. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.